How to fix your Black Ops 6 error code GOLDFLAKE. So let's get straight into the video. So what is the error code GOLDFLAKE? GOLDFLAKE usually appears when the game cannot connect to Call of Duty servers. So the first thing you want to do is go to support.activision.com/online services to check if Call of Duty Black Ops 6 servers are online or not. You can also check your internet connection, run a speed test, use a wired connection, and ensure that you have at least 5 MBs of download speed. You can also try restarting your router or calling your ISP. If that is not the case, you can also try closing your game completely and then reopening it, or restart your console or PC itself. You can also check if there are any updates pending for the game itself, because it does interfere with your servers. And if you're using any kind of VPNs, definitely go ahead and disable that. If nothing works, try contacting their support team. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.